This tutorial is to show you how to edit or create a new base analytics dashboard from Data Studio. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is go to datastudio.google.com, and there I will be presented with a list of all of my different dashboards. So in Web Services Way, we work smarter, not harder. I like to duplicate a report that I already have made in order to make a new one. So the current base dashboards as they stand of February 2022 are you have a first page that really shows people a good overview of basic metrics about page traffic. The second is going to give users some indication of their sources, devices, location. Usually with this, I like to give the caveat if you get some outliers in cities that it might be people with their location turned off. The third page is going to be key user actions. So usually these are topic tiles, now cards, or CTA clicks. This is also an area where you can tailor this a little bit more if you want to include maybe like clicks on events or news articles or something like that. And then finally, definitions of what the different terms are. So I'm going to go back to the first page here. And then let's click on more options and make a copy. It'll ask you the data source and you want to keep that as is. When we switch to GA4, you'll want to switch that, but you can cross that bridge when we get to it. It's going to open this up in a new tab. And here's where I'm going to be able to make my modifications. So let's change this and let's make a registrar's office base analytics dashboard. So when this is currently in edit mode, not view. This button up here, the blue one in the upper right, is something you can toggle between view and edit. But now I'm in edit mode, so I can click on each of these items and change the data source or the default date range. I don't want to do that, but what I do want to do is create a filter so I'm getting the right set of information in my dashboard. Here, if I click on a single item, so here page views, I see over on the right panel of my screen in the first column of that, I have a filter towards the bottom. Here it's Talent Gateway pages. We're going to change this existing filter and we're going to make it Registrar's Office. So you can see here that there are a number of pages that are operating under what the page URL contains. I'm going to delete all of these except for this one, and I'm going to put office-registrar, and that's all I'm going to need. I'm also going to change this to Registrar's Office. And then I'm going to save, and then like magic, the data is going to reload, and you'll see that the filter has changed. So we'll just wait here for a second, and hopefully I'll edit these out. Just waiting. There we go. So here you can see I changed it once and it updated everywhere, and there are so many pages that are being trafficked here. It's crazy. You can go here, and again you'll see that it's updated throughout, so I'll be able to see my other reports. I'm just going to take a quick pass through just to be sure that I'm capturing the data properly. And actually, I'm going to skip forward to the third page to show you how to edit these events. So here, while the data is loading, you can see if I click on the area, I can see the data and how the data is being pulled. So a couple of things are happening here. So you're going to be able to slice up your data by dimension. So and also a metric. So what are you looking at? And then the amount that you're looking at something. So this call to action button click is going to show the event label that's been defined in Tag Manager, and then also the page title that's defined in Analytics. And if I go down here, I'll see that I have a table filter as well, not just for registrars pages, but also for the event CTA. So I'm going to click in here so we can take a closer look at this event CTA. This is where I'm able to pull the event category. And again, here I'm using what it's containing. So you can take what is currently listed in the event tracking that's getting pulled into analytics and pull a unique identifier here. So I'm just going to save this. And here I can see it's done thinking, and it's showing me again the event label is showing here, the page title, and then the count. This is fun. I have it sorted by sessions, but you can also sort by number of events, and you can change like the sort, which is sometimes more meaningful. But those are the two main things that you want to do when you are making a dashboard. So after you copy it, change the filter so it's unique to the URL of the office whose content you're capturing. And then if you're going to change the interaction with a certain element, you add in that second filter that is pulling in information about the event that is being tracked, the Tag Manager event. All right, thanks.